Emma wakes up to a sunny morning. The birds are singing outside her window. Today, she plans to visit the park. She grabs an apple and heads out the door. Emma loves the park. It is her favorite place. As she walks, she thinks about her day. What will she see? Who will she meet? At the park, Emma sees many people. There are children playing with a bright red ball. They laugh and chase each other. Emma smiles. She sits on a bench and takes out her book. It is a story about a brave cat. She likes cats and wants to see if the cat finds its way home. Nearby, an old man is feeding the ducks. The ducks quack happily and swim in circles. Emma waves at the man. He waves back with a friendly smile. Emma feels happy to be outside. After reading for a while, Emma decides to go for a walk. She sees a small dog running. It stops, looks at her, and wags its tail. Emma bends down to pet the dog. It is soft and fluffy. She asks the dog's name. The owner says it is Bella. Bella loves meeting new friends. Emma continues her walk. She hears music. A man is playing the guitar under a big tree. The music is soft and sweet. Emma stops to listen. Some people are dancing. The sun shines through the leaves, making beautiful patterns on the ground. Emma feels peaceful. The day is warm and the air is fresh. She closes her eyes and takes a deep breath. This is her favorite place at the park. She sits near the flowers and watches the bees buzz around. They are busy collecting nectar. As the sun begins to set, Emma decides it is time to go home. She feels calm and happy. She waves goodbye to the park. The children are still playing, the ducks are still swimming, and the music still plays softly. Emma knows she will come back soon. Walking home, she thinks about her day. She saw many things and met new friends. Emma smiles because she had a lovely time. At home, she makes a cup of tea and sits by the window. The stars begin to twinkle in the sky. Emma feels grateful for such a beautiful day. She thinks about all the things she saw and heard. Tomorrow, she will read more of her book and maybe visit the park again. She finishes her tea and gets ready for bed, feeling peaceful and happy.